Hello, friend. This is Jimmy from Can Haven Immigration Canada. Here is a breaking news. I just was looking on the latest updates in Canadian immigration. There is a breaking news for all the international students. The government is planning to lift the international student travel ban. So this is one of the news that we just looking at. My screen at this moment and will like to go more into detail. As you guys all know, the education is not under the federal government in Canada. It's with all the provincial and territorial governments. So the immigration minister has already sent a letter to all the provincial governments and territories to get their feedback about the international travel for the students who most of those education institutions, the designated learning institute, they rely on all international students regarding their budget, their fees, their operational, because international students are the one who pay a lot of money to these institutions, and this is a multi-billion-dollar industry here in Canada. So because a lot of the colleges and universities are lobbying behind the government about this one. So the government is planning to lift the restriction from the international travel until and unless there is a proper plan and procedures are in place by the designated learning institutes. Uh, so that's what we are learning. But there was a big update as of yesterday. The government of Canada has allowed international students from the United States to travel to Canada for their fall season of 2020. If their classes are starting in September or October, they are allowed with certain restrictions in place, but they can travel now. So once they have issued this notification yesterday, so the most of the provincial government of the colleges and other universities are asking them to update the other countries also. So that's why a this new initiative has been done by the federal government. So in like maybe in few days, because the current days of travel are restricted till July 31st. Let's see before that or after that we'll hear something for international students. And the other the letter that has been published by the federal government and has been in the news right now, the information they are looking at from the DLI institutes, that a list of DLI in each jurisdiction that has been approved in accordance with the public health requirement and business resumption plan for operation for hosting the international student, whether they have the protocols in place to implement and monitor Canada's mandatory 14-day quarantine by the DLIs, appropriate transportation to the DLI for the international student, a suitable place for quarantine. Student will not have contact with the vulnerable individuals. Quarantine accommodation will enable physical distancing with infection prevention control protocols in place. Information on physical and mental health support available for all the international students when they are entering into Canada or they are going to their respective colleges or universities. So these are the few things that government is also looking when they will give the yes. Now the travel can be done by international students. So this is a very big news as of now for all the international students who are planning for their session in September 2020. So let's see what will happen. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you very much.